Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. In this video, I will explain how we can use ChatGPT to remove background from the image. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It uses advanced natural language processing techniques to understand and generate human-like text. You can ask questions, have a conversation, or seek information on a variety of topics. ChatGPT responses are generated based on training on a diverse range of texts and data sources, so it can provide answers and insights on a wide range of subjects. ChatGPT as a language model, it can assist you with programming questions to a certain extent. While it may not be able to write or debug code, it can provide general guidance and information on programming concepts, languages, and tools. You can ask questions about programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, or any other language you might be interested in. It can also help you with topics like algorithms, data structures, software development methodologies, and more. In this video, let's check how we can generate a Python code to remove background of an image with only little modification. Basic requirements to work the code are: Python must be installed in your PC, have any IDE, that is integrated development environment, and this is not mandatory, but having it will fasten the activity and also it helps to debug the issues if any quickly. We can use a REMBG module to remove background image. The REMBG module is a Python library that provides a simple way to remove the background from an image using a pre-trained deep learning model. Without going to much details, let's generate the code using ChatGPT. Just make sure you have already signed up into ChatGPT. So you can generate the code asking like this: write a Python code to remove background image using module REMBG. If you do not tell ChatGPT to use this module, then ChatGPT uses other ways. That's perfectly valid. Just make sure all dependent modules such as REMBG, NumPy, etc. are installed using pip module. Now it has generated the code. Now let's copy the code and paste it into PyCharm IDE, which I am using. Since I have all dependencies installed, it will not throw any error. But here the remove function returns the resulting image with the background removed as a NumPy array. These technical details are not mandatory to know. Just copy this code into any IDE, then I think it absolutely works fine. This is the original image for which I am removing the background. This is the path where the image is located. Now execute the code. Now new image will be created with background removed. Very simple and straightforward. As you can see here, the background is removed here. By following these simple steps, you can generate a code using ChatGPT and execute in any IDE, and you can remove the background of any image like this. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video with one more interesting topic. Thank you.